Hello everyone, today I'm going to continue doing our SAT practice prep from Khan Academy, lesson 2, interpreting linear functions. Okay, so let's start. I've already done one question, but we'll get back to the first question again. Question 2. Jing is making homemade peanut butter. The equation above shows the amount of peanut butter yielded. B in cups for A cups of peanuts. What percentage of the volume of peanuts is lost when processing them into the peanut butter? Okay. Alright, I can already actually, yeah, it's probably this. I'll tell you why. Okay, here they're saying that this B is the butter yielded, which is like after after the peanuts are yielded. Then A is the amount or volume of peanuts, right? So this is basically the volume of peanuts that is added to yield the peanut butter. And then they're asking us what percentage is lost. Okay, so they don't want what percentage is added. They said what percentage is lost. Maybe some people will go and right away choose this one, but this is wrong because they're asking what percentage of the volume of peanuts is lost when processing them into the peanut butter. So what we will be doing here is that first, as you can see, the volume of peanuts is 0.55, or if you would want to convert that into a percent, it's 55%. So there's 55% of peanuts added to when processing them into the peanut butter. So how do we know the percentage that is lost? It's actually pretty easy. You just subtract 55 from 100%, right? Which then you will simply just get a 45%. So there's like 45% of peanuts lost when processing them into the peanut butter. So let's choose this answer and check that. Okay, next question. A store is having a sale on every item purchased. Irina decides to take advantage of the sale and purchases a sweater. The equation that gives the after-sale price P of Irina's sweater with an original cost C is shown above. What percentage off the original cost did Irina save? Okay, so the equation here, P is the equation that gives the after sale price. Like after the sale. You get it? Like the original cost times the after sale price. So basically this 0.7 right here is the amount that she had paid, alright? So this is basically the same as the one before for the peanut butter yielded. So the 0.7 is the cost of the original cost. Like she had paid a 0.7. Or in other words, since all of the answers are percents, let's try to convert this into a percent. Basically, 0.7 is 70%. So she paid 70% of the original cost, and there was a sale that was what percent off the original cost. She had paid 70%, and you want to get the sale, right? So simply you just subtract 70% from 100%, and well, you just get, what do you get? You just get a 30%, right? So So she didn't pay for this 30% because it was off. It was on sale. The sale was 30% off. So let's choose right C right there and check that. Let's go. Print shop copies and prints documents in large volume for its customers. For a particular copy machine, the equation above gives the amount of toner T in grams left making after C copies. How many grams of toner are used per copy? Okay, this is actually very obvious because like they're saying T in grams. Okay, T amount gives amount of toner in grams left after making C copies. So this is probably alright. So how many grams of toner? I would just simply say it's 0.06. The 0.06 toners are used per copy. As you can see, like for each copy that you use, you will increase by a 0.06, right? So let's check that answer, and it's correct. Let's read it. T is amount of toner in cartridge in grams. Yes. Alright, yeah, basically, so there is a, so 0.6 is the rate at which toner is used in grams per copy. So basically, we can say that if you would think of this as the slope-intercept form, this is our slope, and our slope is always the rate of change, right? So the rate of change here is that it's 0.06 grams of toner per copy. Next question 5. Antony, I don't know how to pronounce that. Antony bikes part of the way on a 22-mile trail and walks the rest of the way. Okay, if he spends B hours biking and W hours walking, trip is modeled by the equation shown above. What is the meaning of 16b in the equation? All right, what is the meaning of 16b here? So the equation here, it says that he walked 22-mile trail. He bikes 22 and walks the rest of the way. Okay, so we can see that 16b. What does 16b means? B means the B means hours of biking, and if you put 16, it means that he bikes for a total of 16b miles. A total of rides his bike at an average speed of 16b miles per hour. Okay, so you can say that it's this one for sure, because we cannot say he didn't bike for 16 hours. He biked for 16 miles per hour, we can say that, but when you multiply that together, it's probably like 16 miles, and it actually should be 16 miles per hour per B, but 16 miles. He biked, travels a total. It's not travels a total because like he traveled a total of 22 actually, but he bikes for 16 miles. And the Italian rides his bike at average speed of. No, it's this one. All right. So why is it not this one? It's not true because. Yep. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching today, and hope you have a nice day.